Sebastian, how likely are these cryptos to create services that matter in the real economy? And why don't all of these NFT things that we've been talking about for a couple years count?
You know, the whole point about investing in the future, especially in early stage tech, is that a lot of bets go wrong, right? I mean, in a parallel business like venture capital, 1 in 10 bets going right is okay, because the ones that do go right big time, and they make more than 10x your value. So the first thing to say is, you know, I'm not here predicting that it's going to work for sure. I'm saying it has a chance of working. And in a bet on a future technology like crypto, saying it's got a chance of working is good enough to be long. You shouldn't be, I mean, 40%, as the family office you were just talking about was going for. That's extremely heavy betting. I would not recommend that. But I think that in a diversified portfolio of bets on the future, which is some about clean tech, some about biotech, some about software, you know, having a bet on crypto is completely appropriate, because if it works, it could be big.
But here's part of what I don't get about that. There are a lot of American companies that have created enormous innovations in general that transact based in dollars. There are also a lot of great American companies that have created fintech innovations that rely heavily on the dollar. Up until this era, a lot of them do. But that hasn't boosted the value of the dollar versus other currencies. So why necessarily would crypto innovation mean that individual cryptocurrencies are worth more money?
Well, I mean, you're right to raise the question. I would say that on the margin, the dollar value is higher than it would be otherwise, because it's such a useful currency, because there are so many good ways you can save it, invest it, and so forth. That's why it's a reserve currency. That's why it's structurally a bit overvalued. That's why the US has a current account deficit year in, year out, because the dollar is a strong currency. But, I mean, you're raising a good point that there's no certain connection between a project, let's say, you know, Filecoin, a distributed system for saving data on people's servers when they have spare capacity on their gaming server, which you incentivize with a coin. It's not certain that just because that project works, the currency goes up. But if they're well designed, they are supposed to be linked. This is very early, as crypto people always say. We're running a bunch of experiments. Mm-hmm. But the thing is that you only need a few of these experiments in using digital tokens to come good for the whole thing to be vindicated. I mean, and it's less about just currencies. It's more interesting, I think, to think about what can you do technologically which is useful for the world when you have a digital token that you couldn't do without it. And I think you can incentivize the users in your community to get involved in your project. It's like a United Air Miles, but much more advanced.